everybody, good morning. This is Terrence from Backwoods Junk Removal. For today's project, we are going to take up this concrete for this customer. Right over here, there was a row all the way that way of big pine trees, and over the years, they grew over here. Just raised havoc on this driveway. So it needs to be taken up. See what's underneath. Look at all that. Those roots. Come over here and got it. So get all this up. I was here last week. This carport was not bricked in originally. So previous owners bricked it in, and it didn't have its own footer, so we had to make a cut to separate the concrete. That way we can have a nice clean edge there. It goes all the way to the house. I just got a little bit closer. So this is what we got going on. Out here, all this goes. It's all separated from the building, so it shouldn't be too bad. We'll use the skid steer for today. And probably a day and a half, a day in the morning, get it all up. So stay tuned with us. We're gonna have a good day. It's gonna be hot and humid. We'll get it taken care of. So we'll keep you posted.